That's not too bad. I'm over here vacuuming this car, and this dog hair just is not coming out. I'll show you. And so that led me to go to ChatGPT and ask for some tips about what I should be doing. And it said I could try some water, just mist it, and then a rubber glove, and come in here and wipe it, and it should start to clump. This isn't working. So I went back to the ChatGPT. It said mix 1 part fabric softener, 3 parts water, and then you just spray. And I think we want to be kind of liberal with this type of spray. And I'm not talking about Joe Biden voting liberals. I'm talking about use a lot of product here. Spray, 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 spray. Wait 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes. And the logic here is the fabric softener is supposed to loosen up the hair, de-staticify it or whatever, and then you vacuum it up. I'm not gonna lie, that actually worked pretty good. And now I'm gonna try my favorite method, which is the duct tape. I'll show you. It's pretty scientific. What you do is you grab some duct tape and then you press it into the surface. Sometimes you can even make like a little ring like this. And then you just kind of drag it along. It's not really working that good because it's wet, but I'll show you the duct tape trick over here, and you can see it's doing a pretty good job. Now, my thought is I'm going to do a combination here. I'm going to do the fabric softener trick, let it dry, and then I'm going to come back and do the duct tape trick and see if I can get this thing to clean up really good. It's also going to make the car smell fresh. Let's check in real quick, see what this looks like before. And you can see the hair is just like crammed into everything. It just like it sticks into it like porcupine needles. I got to show under the seat here. It's real bad. So let's see how it does. Here's where we are with vacuuming and compressed air. I have not come back in with the duct tape yet. Let me show you what the compressed air trick is. Now this gets a little more complicated because you have to have shop air that's capable of recharging pretty quickly. I've got a pretty big 220 compressor, so it works for me. But I'll show you, really it works super well in like these hard to reach areas, right? So I'm gonna spray this with compressed air and vacuum with my skinny little attachment, and we'll see how good we can get this. I think I got the phone set up here. That's what that gets. And then I'll go back in here with the duct tape and clean it up. Something like this. You know, I got to get back in here and kind of get closer onto there. But you get the idea. And this is a really tedious process because you have to vacuum, then blow compressed air, vacuum again, then get your duct tape. Man, this is why detailers charge you extra for pet hair. I'm going to try something. I already hit this with the air and the vacuum. Regular duct tape versus Gorilla Tape. Do the regular. Let's do 2 strips. Boop, boop. That's not as long as the other 2. Real scientific here. Now, let's see. Come on. There's the regular duct tape. I'm going to turn it over so you can see what it picked up. Versus the Gorilla Tape. Regular, Gorilla. They both did pretty good, honestly. Am I the smartest man alive? I don't know, but I wrapped a paint roller in duct tape and check this out. Man, that's making my life way easier. Yes, sir. This duct tape trick worked so good. I mean, I have to come back in here and steam clean this to get all the color consistent, but man, this is a good trick. Dirt aside, let's see how we did with the dog hair. That's not too bad. Yeah, process is vacuum, then compressed air and vacuum with the brushing action if you want, and then the duct tape roller, good to go. I'll show you the duct tape trip over the duct tape. This duct tape trick worked. This duct tape trick